This is the APEX AT26A, a tire changer built for real performance without unnecessary extras. The heavy-duty bead breaker arm loosens stubborn beads fast. Secured, hardened steel clamps securely hold wheels from 12 to 26 inches, designed for stability and repeatable results. A traveling drop center tool secures the wheel in place, reducing stress and protecting the rim during mounting. The precision mount and demount head delivers smooth, controlled tire removal. Foot pedal controls give instant command of rotation. A high-torque electric turntable ensures smooth, predictable movement. A pneumatic assist arm adds control for stiff sidewalls. An integrated inflation gun delivers accurate pressure control. Built for long-term reliability in busy shops. No wasted motion, just dependable performance. APEX AT26A, backed by BenPack Engineering. Learn more about APEX at benpack.com.